Oh, why?
Like, someone did a little plow.
Oh, yay.
And it's hard to feel when it's coming back and stuff. Like that.
Snow cross. There you go. Whee! Oh shit! Don't touch the pole. Oh, perfect. They're busy.
Clutch slipped. Sorry,
Oopsie.
officer.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie.
Ooh, that's a weird rip. Oh yeah. It's melted here a little bit. And then it's like back to snow.
Oh. So pretty.
This was like cleared out last time, remember?
Oh yeah, because it's coming down hard now.
Yeah.
Oh.
I know it's gonna be slippery, so I slowed down.
There you go. Oh, just barely.
It still has grip.
Just
It's
barely, yeah. You just gotta modulate.
You gotta modulate. Watch this. Wow. Even
Right?
on the hill.
Yeah, easy. Damn, they're not plowing at all out here. Damn, they're not plowing at all.
No.
Oh, it's a little
That's a little bit of grip.
chunky.
Yeah, that was odd grip right there.
Hotel. Yeah.
That's fun.
Oh yeah, the airport has no plowing. Let's go. I knew
Look
the
at
airport would be
this.
perfect. I knew it would be perfect.
Look at this, ladies
Perfect.
and gentlemen. Holy
No one thinks to go to the airport. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh shit. Okay, we might be done.
Oh shit. I mean, there's no curb. Yeah, so just grass. It would be fine.
We went
It's
to
just
stop
grass.
that and then we would have done.
my god. Good. Fresh. Yeah, it's plowed. That was perfect because we have so much room.